Good morning, welcome to Slovenia. My name is Luka and I'm a nature and landscape photographer. Right now I am here at the viewpoint for St. Tomaž Church, which is one of the most iconic views of Slovenia. It was a fresh snow last night, it's clear sky today, so we are expecting a nice sunrise. And before the sun gets out, I'm photographing these fruit trees and just trying some different minimalistic compositions. The car was showing minus 12 degrees Celsius, so it is very, very cold. So I'm dressed up like crazy. I have like 3 layers, and then I have this down jacket, gloves, and really warm insulated hat, but I'm still cold. Just to be grateful to experience this cold and this fresh, healthy, cold air. So nice to be here. And we are rushing up back to the viewpoint for St. Tomaž Church, and it really looks beautiful. This glow, the first morning light, just incredible. It's very strong, very clear sky. There's no haze in the sky, so we have really beautiful winter conditions. As the sun just hit the church, it's this warm orangey glow on the church, and it's separating it from the background, and then the mountains are lit nicely. And because the sun is coming from the side, it gives this nice ambient light, and it separates all the layers, the church, the back hill, and the mountains behind, and the sky. So we have like 4 separate layers basically. There are no clouds in the sky, so I'm cutting out most of the sky, just leaving mountains some room, but the rest of the sky, it's not interesting, it's not of importance. So I'm just focusing on the landscape here and the scenes that I can see. And I'm also photographing other scenes around the mountains that just got this first light, the Karavanke mountains, and these farmhouses on the hills in front. So this is really beautiful winter fairy tale, as they say. It was a beautiful morning. We had this incredible light, very strong first sunlight, and it lit up the church, so it was separated from the background, and then the mountains behind, they get this nice fill light from the side, so it was like a nice warm glow on the mountains. And even without the sky, no clouds in the sky or no mist in the valley, that was actually perfect winter fairy tale day. Really beautiful scene. So I'm quite happy what I got, and I must say the group really nailed it this time. How many times I was here with my workshops and it didn't work out. Sometimes there was no sun because it was blocked by the clouds on the east. Sometimes we were fully covered in fog, so we didn't see anything, or it was just like a flat light, But this time it's really beautiful winter conditions, fresh snow still on the trees. It didn't fall off yet, and beautiful morning light. So what else can you imagine? This is really beautiful. That's all from St. Tomaž Church, and I hope you enjoy this short vlog. I'm gonna show you also some photos from other times I was here, because I have quite a collection, because leading photo workshops to Slovenia, this is one of the must-do stops, and we often come here in spring, in autumn, and also of course in winter, and this location always delivers something nice.